This 2026 Venture RV Stratus SR282 VFD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features a chestnut interior, sleeps 3, LP detector, oven, spare tire kit, air conditioning, skylight, TV antenna, microwave, refrigerator, self-contained, smoke detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, front dinette, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture RV Stratus SR282 VFD is 7,220 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.